Before we begin today, I want to ask you a very gentle question.
Please don't answer quickly. Don't answer with just one sentence. Just think about it slowly, in your own time.
What do you dream about when you think about your career?
Not what you tell other people.
Not what sounds good or impressive, but what you truly dream about. Deep inside your heart. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where we learn English slowly, clearly, and naturally. I'm Emma, and I'm here with you today.
Hello, Emma, and hello to everyone listening. Whether you are at home, at work, on your way somewhere, or resting after a long day.
My name is David, and I'm very happy to be here with you.
I'm happy too, David Forey. Talking about career dreams feels very personal.
Many people think about their career every day, but they don't often talk about their dreams out loud.
So, David, when you hear the words career dreams, what comes to your mind first?
When I hear career dreams, I think about the future. I think about what kind of life I want to have and what kind of work I want to do every day.
That's a beautiful way to describe it.
Do you think your career dreams have changed over time?
Yes, they have changed a lot. When I was younger, my dreams were very simple. I just wanted a job that paid well.
That's very honest.
Many people feel that way at first. What changed for you?
As I got older, I realized that money is important, but it is not everything.
I started to think more about how my job makes me feel.
How do you want your job to make you feel?
I want my job to make me feel calm, useful, and proud.
I don't want to feel stressed all the time.
That sounds like a very healthy dream. Many people feel stressed at work every day. When did you start thinking more seriously about your career dreams?
I started thinking more seriously when I felt unhappy at my old job.
What made you unhappy?
I felt tired all the time. I felt like I was only working, but not living. I didn't feel excited when I woke up in the morning.
That feeling can be very heavy. Did that experience change how you see work?
It taught me that a career is not just about working. It is also about life, health, and happiness.
That's a very important lesson.
When you imagine your dream career now, what do you see?
I see a job where I can grow. A job where I can learn new things and improve myself.
Growth is very important. Do you want to grow in skills or also as a person?
Both. I want to grow professionally, but I also want to grow as a person.
I want to become more confident and more balanced.
Confidence is a big part of many career dreams. Do you feel confident about your future right now?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Some days I feel hopeful, and other days I feel unsure.
That's very normal. Career dreams are not always clear. Did you always know what you wanted to do?
No, not at all.
For a long time, I felt confused. I tried different things, and sometimes I felt lost.
Feeling lost can be scary, but it can also teach us a lot. What did you learn during that time?
I learned that it's okay not to have all the answers.
I learned that it's okay to try and fail.
That's a very powerful lesson. Many people are afraid of failure. Were you afraid of failing?
I was afraid of making the wrong choice and wasting time.
How do you feel about failure now?
Now I see failure as part of learning.
Every mistake teaches me something new.
That mindset can really help people move forward. Let's talk about skills. What skills do you think are important for your dream career?
Communication is very important. I want to be able to explain my ideas clearly and listen to others.
That includes English, right?
Yes, definitely. English is a big part of my career dream.
How does English help you move closer to your dream career?
English opens doors.
It helps me talk to more people, learn from different cultures, and find better opportunities.
Many people learn English for their career.
Did you ever feel shy or nervous using English?
At first, I was afraid of making mistakes and sounding foolish.
How did you overcome that fear?
I reminded myself that everyone starts somewhere. I practiced little by little, and my confidence grew.
So I told her, of course you can come over anytime.
Can you describe a normal day in your dream career?
In my dream career, I wake up feeling calm. I don't feel afraid of the day.
I start my work with a clear mind.
That sounds peaceful.
What do you do during the day?
I work on meaningful tasks.
I help people solve problems.
I feel that my work has value.
Do you work alone or with others in your dream job?
I like teamwork, as long as there is respect and trust.
Trust is very important.
What kind of people do you want to work with?
People who are kind, open-minded, and supportive.
That kind of environment can make a big difference.
What about work-life balance in your dream career?
Work-life balance is very important to me.
I want time for my family, my health, and my hobbies.
Many people dream about balance. Do you think balance is possible?
I think it is possible, but it requires clear boundaries.
Let's talk about challenges. What challenges do you think you will face in reaching your career dreams?
One challenge is self-doubt. Sometimes I doubt myself and my abilities.
Self-doubt can be very strong.
How do you deal with it?
I remind myself of what I have already achieved. I try to focus on progress, not perfection.
That's a healthy way to think.
Any other challenges?
Time is another challenge. Learning new skills takes time and energy.
How do you make time for your dreams?
I try to take small steps every day. Even 10 or 15 minutes can make a difference.
Small steps are very powerful. Let's talk about success. What does success mean to you?
Success means feeling satisfied with my life.
It means going to bed feeling peaceful.
That's a beautiful definition. Has your idea of success changed over time?
Before, success meant money and titles. Now, success means balance and happiness.
That change shows a lot of growth.
Let's talk about the present. How do you feel about your career right now? Right now, I feel hopeful. I'm not exactly where I want to be, but I'm moving in the right direction.
That's a great place to be.
What steps are you taking toward your career dreams?
I'm learning new skills. I'm improving my English.
That's wonderful.
Learning English is a big step for many people.
What have you learned recently about your career journey?
I have learned that progress is not always fast. Sometimes it's slow, but it's still progress.
That's very important to remember. Let's connect this to our listeners. If someone listening feels lost about their career, what would you tell them?
I would tell them that it's okay to feel lost.
Feeling lost doesn't mean you are failing. It means you are searching.
And what about fear?
And what about fear?
Is normal.
You don't need to wait until fear disappears. You can move forward even when you feel afraid.
Learning English can also feel scary for many people.
Yes. But English is a tool. It helps you express your ideas and connect with the world.
If you are listening right now, think about your own career dreams.